soft C and hard C sound with rickle. For example, circus. In this word, letter C is 2 times. But you notice it's make different sound. First, C is making sound S, and second, C is making sound K. When C is making sound S, that is called soft sound, and when C is making sound K, that is called hard sound. In English, all the time there are rules and methods. There are also exceptions to these rules and patterns and methods. So, by English theory, we should say this word circus, not circus. Circus. How funny! When circus becomes circus, that's why our English is having some rules and methods. So all you have to do is to look at the vowels. After the C, if the vowel is E, I and Y, it's going to sound like S, which is soft sound of C. Similarly, after C, if we have A, O and U, the word would sound like K, which is the hard sound of C. Cab, cab. Cell, cell. City, city. Cow, cow. Cup, cup. Cycle, cycle. Thank you for learning soft C and hard C sound with rickle. See you in my next video.